show to the world of how powerful you are. You're the God of Abraham, Moses, and Noah. Let the world see your lightning. Let them hear your thunder. Let them be shaken when you quake the earth. Let everyone bow and kneel down on your almightiness. Flood rushing in when bloodshed due to righteousness, the hotness of the sun unsealed your mysteries. O glorious God, I am glad of your holy presence. Turn the world upside down when the people are really crooked. Bring all of them at the sight of your brook